have confirmed the arrival of 40영국 파운드 밀리언 파운드 미드필더 티모 버카요코, allowing the man to leave. Their standing forward with 2 meter as the club sought to reassure manager Antonio Conte after missing out on Romelu Lukaku. The arrival of Monaco midfielder Bakayoko, 22, came after the signing of defender Antonio Rudiger from Roma 4 meter and goalkeeper Willy Caballero on a free transfer. In Leaves make clear to leave, with Manchester United and Juventus poised. Leader Martin Noah Diego Costa will fly to Beijing on Tuesday for Chelsea's agent tour, with both negotiating their exit. Costa is set to return to Atletico Madrid despite their transfer ban which will prevent him from playing until January. After his signing was confirmed, Bakayoko told the club website, "I am very happy to be here and to join this great team. I have grown up watching Chelsea. Signing was the natural thing for me because it is a club I loved very much in my childhood. I am now looking forward to evolving under this fantastic coach and alongside so many great teammates." Bakayoko rose to prominence last season as Monaco picked PSG to the French League title, and reached the last four of the Champions League, beating Manchester City and Borussia Dortmund en route. The page believed to be 40영국 파운드 밀리언 pounds for a player who will partner international teammate N'Golo Kante in the engine room of the Premier League champions. While Kante will provide the destructive and energetic side to midfield play, Chelsea will look to Bakayoko for more expensive passing, as well being a physical presence. It is widely expected he will replace Matic, although this did not stop Bakayoko grabbing a selfie with the Serbian. Bakayoko had his Blues medical on Friday after the affair was finally agreed between Chelsea and Monaco, with Antonio Conte delighted to have secured a major signing before their pre-season tour of China and Singapore. The midfielder had been linked with Manchester United who successfully hijacked Chelsea's attempts to sign Romelu Lukaku, so the confirmation of Bakayoko will be a source of relief to the club as well as happiness. He had been a long-term target for Chelsea, but knee surgery at the end of last campaign meant the deal took longer to complete than desired. A video posted to the official Chelsea Twitter page showed Bakayoko arriving at the club training ground and watching his routine mates train before meeting them. He then had a friendly meeting with new manager Conte, who shook his hand and selected him jovially on the arm before having a chat. Bakayoko meanwhile posted a picture of him in Monaco kit, thanking the club and their fans, before posting a pic of him in his new kit, with a cheeky line thanking his agent, Chelsea striker and friend Michy Batshuayi.